Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. Once the menu opens, you can use the down and up buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the option called Timers. Once you select Timers option, press the middle button to enter. And here we have the alarm option. Make sure it's selected and then press the middle button. And we have couple of options for the alarm repetition. We have off. If this option is selected, the alarm is turned off. If you select once, it will go on, or rather go off once, and it will turn itself off. Then we can select Monday to Friday, so it will repeat on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And then we have every day, so this alarm will repeat every day. So select the option you like and then press the middle button. And here we can set the hour on which the alarm should go off. And we have the up and down buttons we can use to set the hour. Then we can press middle button, set the minutes, and then press the middle button. As you can see, it says time until the alarm, and then the alarm is set, as you can see. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. And on the watch face, you should see the alarm icon, which indicates that the alarm is turned on. And if you want to disable it, like I said before, simply open the menu, find the timers, press the middle button, select the alarm, press the middle button, and then select off and press the middle button, and the alarm will be turned off and the icon will disappear from the watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.